All right, you got your olive oil and your bacon grease. Got your portobello mushroom, onion, a little bit of garlic. You want to saute the mushrooms and onions for a little bit before you put the garlic in. You don't want the garlic to burn. Garlic in. Saute that for another minute or so. A little bit of seasoning. Not much. A little seasoning. Not much. So that's going to be on the bottom of the burger, so it's going to get seasoned. Center it up. On the burger. Give it a smash. Work all those mushrooms and onions and garlic in there. Not really a smash flavor this way, we're not going that extreme. Just getting the mushrooms and onions in the bottom. And season the top a little bit. Alright, some of the time. Now we're going to baste. Look at that color. Say that's about 2 minutes, maybe 2.5 minutes. Now, put the fresh green chilies on there. Start burning a bit. A little poblano that I had left over. What's at the 2-minute mark? And the double cheese. I'm going to turn the heat off. Paste on top. Why not? And cut it. Take it off the heat. Let it rest. Got your toasted brioche bun. A little tomato. Didn't have much. This is what I got. Boiga. Skadoosk. Little tomato ketchup. Little mustard. Could go with pickles, but I got the green onions on there, so I'm not going to do that. Kaboom. At the boya. Side of tater tots. Dinner.